Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me yet, my name is Rina and I'm professional makeup artist. So if you want to know more, here's my Instagram page. So today I want to share with you this cosmic look. So if you're ready, let us start. I started with applying something peachy, a little bit like natural colors to my crease. You may skip this one, but it will be so much better if you do this. You may apply something like creamy eyeshadows or just eyeshadows that you really like. Fill your lash line using black eye pencil or cream eyeliner, and we are ready to start applying our next jumbo pencil. I used something like a light blue. You may use blue or silver, it's up to you, and just blend it really well on your eyelid and under your eye area. For today's makeup, as you already know, I'll use BH Cosmetics palette Take Me Back to Brazil. And first eyeshadow I'm using on my eyelid is this beautiful blue color. So just blend it well all over your NYX jumbo pencil and just fill your eyelid. After filling my eyelid, I'm starting to little by little, apply it on my crease. And as you can see, they mix with this orange color and start to get just a little bit deeper, a little bit more like brownie. And then I'm using black, just completely black color, and applying it to my outer corner of the eye. For our under eye area, we will start with this beautiful light blue color and we'll get to deep blue. So I'm starting with this blue and we'll get to deep blue color. So as you already know from my videos, I'm always saying this and I'll say it again. Yeah, I'm saying it again. Please just blend it really well. I hope you're at least laughing now because I just feel like I'm saying this all the time. Blend it really well. So for our waterline, I'm using this beautiful NYX eye pencil. I'm just in love with it. Just take a look at this one. Whoa, I'm still looking at this video and it's like, oh god, I want to use it today for something. Yes, and we're drawing our eyeliner just with this one. This is so beautiful. It's so okay, I'm still loving it. And I'm using Galaxy Check palette. I love it so much. It has so many shades just for, I think it was less than $20, maybe, I don't remember. And we will use this beautiful deep blue with sparkles. Sorry guys, it's not like glitter palette, it's more like shimmer palette, but it's so beautiful. I just love it. Really, if you want to apply your glitter or your shimmer eyeshadow, just use your fingers. It will be better. And Too Faced, yeah, I'm freaking out. So I use it for highlighting my eyes, for highlighting my cheeks, cheekbones. Where here I just realized that it's not enough and I wanted to use some shimmer eyeshadow from Galaxy Chic. I think it was Earth, maybe. I don't really remember, but it was something glossy and just more blue. And I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I like it, I really like it, it's nice. And I'm finishing my eye makeup just using NYX eyebrow pencil, just a little bit, because we don't want to make our look too heavy. Thank you so much for watching this video and being with me. If you like it, please let me know, hit the like button, hit subscribe button, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye!